Good morning, everyone. It is Friday and today is my last day of clinical, so I decided to vlog because it's my last day of clinical. And then after I'm done here, Austin and I are taking a trip to Sequoia's for the weekend. It's also Valentine's Day weekend, so that's exciting. We packed up the whole car. There's Austin. It's nice and early. Most of the car is packed. Most of the apartment is cleaned out. Austin's just gonna stay there, do some finishing touches, and then when I'm done with work, he'll come and pick me up. But yeah, it is currently 5:41 a.m. I start around 6:30 today, but I'm going to stop at Panera to get the clinic bagels and cream cheese for the morning. So that's exciting. It's just early and it's crazy that we're already done here in San Diego. Also, if you don't know who I am, I'm Rhiannon. Subscribe down below if you are new here, but if you're not, welcome back. That is it for the morning. Hello.
Good morning.
Good morning. And yeah, I'll check in with you guys later. Hello everyone, long time no talk. Finished up work around 3. It was so sad. I didn't want to cry. Actually, I was like, just leave before we both start crying. I was like, yeah, you're right. So I left. It was so cute. They did a little potluck for me for lunch. So that was really nice. And then Austin and I headed off to where we are right now. We are in our cute little Airbnb. It's in Three Rivers. We are literally right next to the entrance of the Sequoia National Park. So that's what we're planning on doing for the weekend. Drive up wasn't too bad. The drive up to this place was like straight up and my car barely made it, so that was cool. It'll be fine. But yeah, so this is our little place for the night. The only thing about here is that it's like only a room and the shower and the sink are right outside the door, which isn't too bad. But
Outside.
Yeah, it's outside. But the kicker is the toilet to go pee is all the way by the main house. But I don't really want to walk there right now because there's a lot of bugs. So we'll just go tomorrow morning and then change, get ready for bed, and go to sleep. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. It is currently 7:30 a.m. and we just wash our face, to brush our teeth, and got out our sink. And now we are taking the walk to the bathroom. Our plan today, we do want to go hiking today. So I have all these layers on. I don't really need them right now, but when we get up to where we are going to hike at the top of the mountain, it'll be way colder than it is right now. So what I have layered is a turtleneck, this Express Sherpa jacket thing, this puffer I got from Old Navy, literally $15, and my new hiking boots that Austin got me from Columbia. So now I'm cool. Now I can get through any water or snow without my feet being soaking wet. So it's super exciting because I don't know if you guys watched my last vlog. At Joshua Tree, it was a mess. So yeah, on our way. The view is so nice from up here because we're literally at the top of the hill. I'll keep you guys updated. morning, everyone. It is Sunday and it's also Valentine's Day. So happy Valentine's Day, everyone. It is around 7:30 this morning and it's pretty clear out and sunny, which is awesome. So I think we're gonna go to Kings Canyon today to go check that out. It'll be nice and definitely probably a lot better than yesterday, because when we were hiking yesterday it was snowing. So when we were walking, the snow was like coming at our faces. We were just really cold. So today it shouldn't be like coming down. We'll just be walking on snow, which isn't too bad. And then after that, we'll head up this like local favorite like restaurant. It's called Old Buckaroo Diner, right? Austin wants to go there, so we're gonna go do that. And then tonight we'll just chill, drink some wine, hopefully get some chocolate covered strawberries. I hope they have them still at places. So that's our plan for today. Right now we're just drinking coffee, enjoying our nice view, because we can see like the park entrance from here and then the river and the mountains. So yeah. So before we head out, I'll show you guys my outfit. I'm just wearing this sweater from Gap. It is gonna be a little colder today. So I'm gonna put on that Express puff, like Sherpa jacket on underneath. And I have my Gap puffer that actually is very warm and it was only $15, so such a great steal. Then I'm wearing my alloy leggings, same hiking shoes, and then I have my purple fuzzy socks. Then underneath my leggings, I have like knee-high socks too.
Oh my god, it's so sweet.
What did you do?
I'm the best.
Guys, if you can see, the cork is in the wine glass. He pushed it in there, didn't you? Good morning, everyone. It is currently 4 a.m. and we couldn't really sleep, so we decided that we're just gonna go home. It was such a great time being here. It was a good experience. We definitely want to come back just when it's warmer, so we're able to do more things, because a lot of the trails were closed. But overall, it was such a great weekend, and I'm gonna end this vlog here. So I hope you guys enjoyed our little Sequoia National Park vlog, and give this a thumbs up if you did like it. And that is it. I shall see you guys next time. Bye.